Number Bonds is a math app that can be used as a precursor to learning about addition. Let me show you an example of how students can use this app. First, tap on the app to open, and then tap on the puzzle piece to begin. I know it might be a little hard to see with my document camera, but each of the parts show the numeral and the number represented by objects. In this example, I have 9 items in one part, 1 item in another part, and I'm trying to find the whole. Students can take their finger and drag and drop the items that are listed, and they can count as they were dragging. So that way they can determine what the total amount will be once they have dragged all items into the whole circle in the bottom. Once I have dragged them all in and I count them up, I can then select my answer. If a student selects an incorrect answer, the button will turn red. If a student selects a correct answer, it will turn green. When a student is ready to try a new one, they can click the puzzle piece and they will have a new problem appear. In the settings, you can customize what the students are completing. To access the settings, tap on the gear. This first option is if I want students to construct or to join numbers together, or if I want them to deconstruct. I'm going to click deconstruct so we can see an example of that. I can also determine what numbers that I'm using in my examples and if I want to show objects or not. Once I have my settings the way I want, the student can then click in, and now you see a different example of how a deconstruct problem might be. Now I have a whole number with 6 items. I have one part designated here as 1, and then I have to move all the remaining counters into the other part and then determine how many items are inside of this circle. Again, just like the example before, if a student chooses an incorrect answer, it will be red, and if a student chooses a correct answer, it will be green.